Ready to tidy up your Telegram? Check your block list and take control of your messages within a few steps. But first, don't forget to save this video for future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to check Telegram block list. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Telegram app on your device and get ready to dive into your settings. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the side menu. From the menu, tap Settings to access all your preferences. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security to unlock privacy-related settings. Under the Privacy and Security, tap the Blocked Users. This is where you will find everyone you have blocked. Unblock someone by tapping on the three-dot icon and choosing Unblock User. Unblocking a contact allows them to message you again, so this is a way to manage your communication preferences effectively. So this is how to check the Telegram block list.